Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Hawkins, and we're going to talk a little bit about what we will be doing in social studies this week. This is week 7, and we will be doing activities 3 and activity 5. So, activity 3 is patriotic customs and celebrations, with a very, very big focus on Memorial Day and the 4th of July. For activity 5, we will be discussing the Texas motto and the United States motto and what those mottos mean. Why are they so special? And what do they have to do with us as Americans? We're going to talk a little bit about activity 3 first. This week we'll be looking at patriotic customs and celebrations and how they show the world how special Americans are. Many of our customs and celebrations are only celebrated here in the United States. Two important celebrations that we have in the United States are Memorial Day and Independence Day. So, first you're going to watch this video called The Meaning of Memorial Day and learn a little bit more about Memorial Day. Then you'll watch this video on Independence Day, another name for that, the 4th of July, and this video is called 4th of July for Kids. So you'll watch this video on American holidays, cartoon for kids, American holidays. And you'll think about, what is so special and important about these holidays? And you're going to make a storybook about these two celebrations, Memorial Day and the 4th of July. You can also use the My Scrapbook website to create your storybook by going to the website. You'll click right here. And then once you click there, you'll come here to New Storybook. And this will appear, and you will be able to add pages, and you can add items that you've saved, pictures that you've saved. You can draw, and you can add text, which means words, by typing. Okay, and so that will make your storybook electronic, and then when you're done, you can save it to the computer you're working on, and then you will have a file, and then you can upload your file. Once you create either your handwritten storybook or your My Storybook website storybook, you will post it in Friday Discussions, which is here. So you will click on that discussion. You know it's discussion because it has talk bubbles. And here are the instructions, but basically you'll click in this big white box, click the microphone, and you can click here to make a video and to talk and show your work, or you can simply click these little pieces of paper that are all clumped together here, which is the file icon. And then when you do that, you are able to go into the computer and find where you saved your picture storybook from the website, and you will upload it here and then hit post. All right, now let's look at activity 5. Now, activity 5 is going to be a Venn diagram of Texas versus the United States. Now, versus means that it's one against the other. So we're going to look at Texas and we're going to look at the United States. So you'll click here on Texas for Kids and watch this video that gives us some good information about Texas. And then you're going to watch here Fun Facts for Kids, the United States. Both of these videos are going to give you information that's going to make you proud to be a Texan, proud to be a member of the United States as an American. And you will look at these mottos here. The Texas motto, every state has a motto, and friendship is the state motto for Texas. We are the friendship state. Here is the motto for the United States. In God we trust. Friendship, in God we trust. You will create a Venn diagram to compare these two mottos and what that means. So from the videos, you learn some things about our friendship state, and you've learned some things about our United States of America. What do these mottos have to do with Texas? What does this motto have to do with the United States? What do they mean? How are the mottos alike in their meanings? How are they different? Now, in a Venn diagram, you see here we have one Texas over this circle, United States over this circle. So things you put here are only things about Texas. They're not things about the United States. Here, you'll put things about the United States, but they're not about Texas. In the middle, since the two circles are coming together, this middle is Texas and the United States. So you can put some things that they have in common. What do they have in common that's special, that makes us proud? Here is an anchor chart about Venn diagrams. It talks about what we're doing. We are comparing and contrasting. Comparing, how are they alike or the same? Contrast, how are they different? So the different things go in the outside parts of these circles, and the things they have the same goes in the middle. Here's another Venn diagram example of a kid that did one on the giraffe and the zebra. Things different. This student put that the giraffe is tall, the giraffe has spots, and the giraffe is brown and orange. This animal, the zebra, is shorter, has stripes, and is black and white. And then things they both have in common or alike, they live in Africa, they're both mammals, and they like to eat food. So that is how your diagram will look. You'll have differences on the outside and things alike in the middle. Once you have drawn your Venn diagram, you will submit it here in the discussion, the same way we did on the other one, clicking in the comment box, clicking on the video, or the microphone, and then hitting the audio video so that you can do a little video telling me about your Venn diagram. And don't forget to hold it up so that we can see it and you're talking from it like a poster. Well, we're going to have a fun week, guys. We have so many activities in all of the subjects. Make sure that you're doing the activities and posting your activities. All right. Well, all of the teachers are anxious to see your work on Friday. Do your best job, and we will see you then.